Can you game comfortably on a 59,900 naira device? That is the question we should answer at the end of this video. This is the Itel P40 4G. I was eager to test out this phone because it features some very impressive spec combinations that have never been combined on an Itel device before. This phone has me more excited than any other Itel product ever has. Here we have 7GB of RAM, 18 watts fast charging, 4G, a big 6000 mAh battery, a 6.6 HD plus display, and a 13 megapixel main camera for just 59,900. Itel has promoted this phone as the cheapest gaming smartphone available. We'll check to see if that's true in this video. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. If you are new here and haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. The first thing in the box is the phone itself. Then we have a soft protective cover for the screen, which I wish was pre-installed. Next is a hard plastic case for the rest of the body. Next is the 18 watts charger brick, a SIM ejection tool, a red pair of earphones, and finally a micro USB cable. It is nice to see that the phone came with all the expected accessories. Right out of the box, the phone feels sturdy and well made. The design and camera module look modern and futuristic. And I like that the Itel branding is minimal and doesn't get in the way. The Itel P40 comes in 3 colors: Force Black, Luxurious Gold, and Dreamy Blue. This is the Dreamy Blue color and I think it is absolutely beautiful. The Itel P40 has that modern flat or boxy edge. It has a body that is made of plastic and the color options complement it a lot. The camera module is shiny, feels like glass, and attracts fingerprints, while the rest of the back doesn't show smudges. There's also a slanted pattern going across the back that subtly changes the color accents when you change the angle at which light hits the phone, and I really like that. On the mirror-like section of the back, you'll find the fingerprint scanner, camera module, and dual LED flash. The right edge holds the volume and the power button. The bottom is where the headphone jack, microphone, USB port, and speaker grill are. On the right side of the device is the SIM tray, which takes 2 nano SIM cards and 1 memory card. The display is a 6.6 IPS LCD HD Plus water drop notch panel with a resolution of 1612 by 720p, a display density of 320 pixels per inch, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The display is vivid, sharp, and clear. For the price of this phone, it has a very good display and I have no complaints. Also, I had no problems reading or watching content on the display. However, it is only capable of manual brightness adjustments, and that is something to take note of. The Itel P40 packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, which can guarantee 3 days of use. This is brilliant, but it will take more time to charge up as the 18 watt charger that came with it is not so fast. The Itel P40 uses a Unisoc XC9863A processor, which is an octa-core chip with a performance cluster of up to 1.6 GHz and an efficiency cluster of up to 1.2 GHz. The XC9863A can be classified in the same category as the Snapdragon 450 and MediaTek Helio G25 processors. The chip also integrates an LTE modem and supports 1080p videos, which means that the Itel P40 is a 4G device. The memory capacity of the Itel P40 is 64GB, of which about 11GB is already in use by the system right out of the box. You get 4GB of original RAM, which you can extend to 7GB using some on-device memory that Itel, Infinix, and Tecno call memfusion. I might be wrong, but I think this is the first Itel phone I've seen with up to 4GB of hardware RAM and up to 7GB of memfusion RAM. This clearly shows that they want this phone to be a gaming phone on a budget. I was able to play Call of Duty comfortably on this phone without issues. I didn't experience any lag or serious stutters. I was also expecting the phone to get really hot, but I was able to play Call of Duty for about 30 minutes without the phone getting hot. I will make a dedicated video showing gaming and temperature changes on the Itel P40, so please stay tuned and subscribe to see that video. Overall, the Itel P40's performance is very satisfactory for a device in its price range. The phone has something called Smart Accelerator that intelligently predicts which app you will use next and preloads or caches related resources so that it opens the app quickly. Security options for the Itel P40 include facial unlocking and fingerprint unlocking. While not particularly quick or fast, the fingerprint sensor is accurate. Touching the fingerprint sensor can start a call recording, answer a call, or turn off an alarm. The Itel P40 runs on Itel 8.6.0 software based on Android 12. It has quite a handful of features and preloaded applications, of which some cannot be uninstalled. and they end up taking up some space on the phone's memory even though you might never need them. One of the features I really like on this Itel device is the ability to set a schedule to power on or off the device. The Itel P40 has a dual 30 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Max video quality is 1080p on both sides.
So hi guys, this is the video quality of the Itel P40 4G.
Something I like here is how you can trigger the shutter by just smiling. So convenient. The Itel P40 is available for 59,900 naira in Nigeria, which is about $80 US. And when you buy this phone, you get an offer thanks to Itel's partnership with Airtel. You get 5 GB of browsing data when you recharge 1,000 naira of airtime on your AIrtel SIM in the Itel P40. For anyone looking for a gaming phone but have limited resources to spend or is on a budget, this is the phone for you. This has been my review of the new Itel P40. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.